guys, what's up? So in today's video, I thought I would do something that has been overdone probably way too many times, but you know what? I've had one of those weeks where I just want to look like something happy, and something that makes me think of happy is a mermaid. So today, I'm going to be turning myself into a mermaid. Hey. Okay, yeah, enough with my stupidity. Anyways, I guess if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime a video is put. Can't talk. Okay, let's try this again. It's only third attempt, you know. Third attempt. That's okay. Alright, so I guess if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to become a part of my small family. Also, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And also, go ahead and hit a thumbs up on this video if you liked it. I guess without further ado, I'm gonna get started. Yeah. Alright, taking my glasses off. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. Wipe away time. You know, I would keep this eye look, but it's not gonna go with what I have in mind, so we got to say bye-bye to the makeup. Alright, to start off with, my eyebrows have already been blocked out, but if you would like to see a video where I block my eyebrows out and show you how to do it, I will link one down in the description box below. I am basically just contouring and highlighting my face using the Jeffree Star 24 karat gold palette. I used the gold and bronze colors. Very pigmented, by the way. My baby hairs were getting on my nerves there. If anybody doesn't know, the struggle is real. I use the gold as a highlight and like the more bronzy color as the contour. Alright, here comes the fun part. I don't know if y'all know how to do this, but I do. I'm using pantyhose to put over my head and make me look like I'm an idiot. This is how you do the next part. I know I look retarded. I look so strange. Let me just get this situated. There we go. Pantyhose done. I am using stippling motions to kind of stamp on the color. You don't want to blend it because you will lose the shape that you get from using the pantyhose. I used the Morphe 35B palette for this, by the way. I used a mixture of pinks and purples. Next, moving on to the eyes, I used a dark pink as a transition shade, and I basically blended it all the way up to my brow bone and down my nose as well. Please ignore me, I'm getting my jam on. And then where my brows would be, I am using a lighter pink to kind of blend out the darker pink more, I guess you could say. Next, I am taking a smaller brush and I'm just pressing this darker purple on the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm blending it out, and I'm also putting it on the lower lash line as well. And then next, I'm going to put some shimmer shades on my lid. Yes, I licked my finger. I pulled a Kim Kardashian, only I wasn't swatching the color, I was trying to get more pigment out of it by putting it on my eye. Very few people will get that reference, unless of course you watch drama channels like I do. I'm obsessed. Yes, I am. Next, I used Jeffree Star's Cosmetics, smells so good by the way, liquid lip to kind of line my eyes. I love his liquid lips because you can use them on your lips, you can use them on your eyes, you can put them in your waterline. They are eye safe. Next, I went ahead and put like a glittery, shimmery color on top of the yellow liquid lip that I used. I have no idea what this glitter was called. Also, the lashes, I have no idea what they're called. They're just some sort of off-brand lash that I picked up from Five Below. Once putting the lashes on, I am also putting mascara on to kind of blend my lashes in with those lashes. Next, I am putting on some gems to kind of add to the mermaid effect. Then after that, I also went ahead and glitterified the lower half of my body. And I basically used pink and gold and purple glitters. By the way, the thing you don't see is I did have to use glitter glue, and I just used NYX's glitter glue. Next, I am again using Jeffree Star Cosmetics and making some pink and purple lips, and then I'm basically done with the look. Finished look. I hope that you liked and enjoyed what I just did. Again, yes, I know mermaids are, well, completely overdone, but I wanted something happy-go-lucky, and that was the one thing that I thought was, you know, happy. Mermaids. So, you know, the one thing I'm not going to be happy about is cleaning up all this glitter that is on my body and all over the floor and all over my face. Yeah, but anyways, I guess if you like what you see, again, I know I said this before, but if you like what you see, please subscribe and hit that like button. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, so I guess without further ado, I will just say goodbye. Goodbye.